Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Sam Stay Grilling. Very simple today. All we're gonna do is take this chicken, any kind of chicken you got, legs, thighs, wings, breasts, don't matter. Clean them up, put them in a Ziploc bag. Italian dressing. Put all that on the chicken and let it marinate. Make that baby wet. That's how it looks. We're gonna zip this up, let it marinate for about 6 hours, or you can go longer if you like, and then we'll put it on the grill. See you then. All right, you guys, we already got the chicken out the marinade, and we just letting it sit because we about to season it up with some of this Shake Tasty. Good stuff here, all-purpose blend. It just, everything just smells good. It's been soaking in here for like about 6 hours. So let's go ahead and season them up. Shake it up, shake, shake, shake. Should get all your sides. All right. Give that time to set, get this grill going, and I'll see you then. All right, you guys, we got our grill ready. Charcoal on one side, food on the other. And we got a little bit of wood chips on there, oak wood chips. Let's get this beautiful chicken on. Come here. Trying to get away. Alright, put the top on this thing and let it do what it do. Alright, you guys. Our chicken is done. The color, the smell. Gotta get a taste of that. Yes, sir. You can smell the Italian dressing, taste it, everything, man. I'm about to carry this in the house. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.